whatever it is.
I know. Oh, wow. Ooh.
Because it's so dry in Arizona. A dry little cough. Was that Melvin?
No. Who's she laughing at? She's laughing at her daddy? Does she like her daddy? Nah.
So you're the cutie pie that's on my fridge.
Okay.
Yeah. Happy girl.
Whoops.
Lost her.
Stepped on my toe. Hello. Hello.
Unlike Angela, she has a little patience for distraction.
Hi.
Angela is not distracted. Where'd the game go?
What?
She looked at the TV. I said, where did the game go?
Did you show her the picture?
Yeah, she saw it.
Is that stuff good? Is that good stuff? Yeah, it is. Yeah. You're adorable.
I know. Oh.
Did you bring any green beans, Angela?
No.
Aw, I'd love to watch that.
What does she do with green beans? She hates them. She
Oh.
gags and makes funny faces.
Oh.